Hello and welcome to our idiom in a minute. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about this idiom, a big mouth. What does it mean? Big mouth means someone who will share personal information or tell a secret. Example, my brother has such a big mouth. He told everything I said to our mother. Another example, a friend was a big mouth and told everyone about the surprise birthday party. Waste time. Complete the sentence. Be careful of what you say around her. She has a space. Your answer? Splendid big mouth. Quiz 2. Why don't shut your space? Your answer? Splendid big mouth. Let's recap. Big mouth means a person who talks a lot, especially about himself or herself, and who cannot keep secrets. Keep on trying.